In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy method for merging two invoices on Xero, saving you time and helping you streamline your accounting process. If you're new to Xero or you've been looking for a quick explanation on how to handle invoice merges, you're in the right place. Now, merging two invoices is particularly useful when you've accidentally created duplicate invoices or when a client has multiple charges that need to be combined into one. Thankfully, Xero makes this process relatively simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to handle this like a pro. But first, before we get started, did you know that you can use Xero for free with an exclusive bonus linked below? So make sure you grab that, and you'll get extra benefits that can help you navigate Xero even more effectively. To merge invoices in Xero, first, you'll want to make sure that you're logged into your Xero account. Head to the Sales section and click on Invoices to bring up your list of outstanding or draft invoices. You'll need to make sure both invoices that you want to merge are visible. Here's the trick. Xero doesn't have a direct merge button. Instead, you'll have to use the credit note functionality to combine the two invoices. Start by selecting the first invoice, then create a credit note for that invoice. In the credit note, you'll need to reference the second invoice you want to merge. Once that's done, apply the credit note to the second invoice. This essentially cancels out the first invoice's charge on the second one. Now you can easily combine the amounts into one final, accurate invoice that reflects both transactions. After this, you'll want to make sure you review everything before finalizing it, ensuring all the correct amounts are there and that the merge has been properly applied. It's a good idea to double-check your client's details and make sure everything matches up before sending the updated invoice. Merging invoices in Xero might seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of the credit note process, it becomes a lot easier to manage your invoices effectively. This method helps keep your records clean and ensures your clients are only getting one invoice for the combined amount. And just to remind you, if you want to try Xero for free and get an extended trial with exclusive bonuses, check the first link in the description below. You'll be able to access a powerful tool for your business that helps with everything from invoicing to accounting and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on Xero and other essential software. And remember, take full advantage of that free trial offer to get hands-on with Xero right now.